Come on. Come on.
I'm so happy you like it, Ho-Ho. I love Lulu's house. Thanks for helping me try things that are different, Thailand.
Come
You're
on.
welcome, Ho-Ho. I'm glad you like them. Cloudball coming through. Thrown to me. I'm super glad you came to Lulu's house today. I love playing Rhino Run. And
Good job, Poppy. Come on.
eating lychee fruit with you. And you helped Ho-Ho try different things. That makes
Good
me
boy.
You make my heart feel super happy. 你让我好开心。再见。
Everyone's having a great time at Kyland's new playhouse. But when Ho-Ho gets mad, Kyland's faced with her biggest challenge yet.
Whoa! Ho-Ho just hit Rintu.
Will Ho-Ho and Rintu's friendship ever be the same?
Why do you think
Daddy's. Puppy.
Don't miss a neat
Hi, Puppy.
next. Part of a week of all new episodes on Nick and parents. Go to kyland.nickjr.com for ways